10, you learn to respect your hunger and use it as a tool. All right. I love this one so much because this is foundational to my approach. And there's great science behind this. There's all kinds of good data. But I'll say this. Your hunger is your friend. It is not something to wipe away or to think is a nuisance. I think we think of our hunger, especially if we're trying to lose weight, we think of our hunger as a nuisance. And what it is really happening is your body is communicating with you, and you need to slow down and listen. I love my hunger. I use my hunger to nourish myself. When, how much? And I want to tell you the incredible healing benefits of doing something like that. Think about how healing it is to listen to your body and give it what it needs. And how affirming that process is. I think of my hunger as a daily part of my self-care and learning to create trust with my body. A lot of people, especially if you've dieted over a lifetime, don't trust themselves anymore. And they tell me this. I hear it over and over again. I've worked with enough people at this point to know what people are saying to themselves. Maybe not everything, but a good amount. And one of them is, I want to learn to trust myself again. Well, I will tell you, long-term sustainable healthy weight loss uses hunger as a tool for self-respect, self-care, and building trust. You have to go back and rebuild the trust with your body that you have shoved around, both either in terms of over-consuming, and again, I don't mean that as in like you're just out of control, but a lot of modern life is predicated on over-consuming or under-consuming while on diets. Both of those things are terrible, and your hunger is a way to rebuild trust from all that damage.